Hi everyone, we're going to transplant our eggplant. So this one is a little slow. It's almost about a month of growing from seeds. So to transplant this one, I want to show you how I do this. So you just this way and you bend it a little bit. So that when you plant it this way, just like that, it will be tall and it will be weak. But if you bend it a little bit, as you can see that, bend it a bit there, and cover it from there, so you just slide it a bit. So this is where the roots is. Bend it a bit, and then you're gonna have a little bit lower plants, but it will be stronger. So you can see this one, right? So that's how it is. So that is how you transplant the eggplant, basil, anything that has a soft layered on it. You can transplant it that way. And doing it that way, when you bend it a little bit, the roots is over here. When you bend it a bit like this, so the root is a little bit bended, then it will be a lot stronger. So these are where the root is. Oh, so I'm just gonna bend it out. So these are where the roots is, right there, but it's not standing up. It's just gonna bend it a bit, and it will be stronger. And the good thing is they're gonna have more roots because the body will produce more roots for it. So this is our eggplant. It's a little bit slow, but it is getting there. So this one, I'm gonna transplant it is on ground. So hopefully that it will grow bigger and faster. So we have one more here. As you can see also, the good thing of planting it as bending it a little bit is that you get more, they get more on the soil and they look a lot stronger. So even if I have a windy place, I always have a strong wind, and because of it, they are having more chance of getting broken by the wind. So this is it, guys. This is how we transplant our eggplant. There you go. All right, nice. Now let's water this.